Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the second craft in my 3-part series of my DIY Farmhouse Flair crafts. If you missed the first video, I will be sure to link it at the end of this video, and I'll also include it in the description box. To be notified of the third installment of the series, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and this way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. As you can see, I'm inside of my closet, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of an upcoming video that I've been working on. But I'm not finished with that video, so if you could give me some advice, tips, funny stories, or horror stories about your closet situations or renovations, please comment below. And if I do incorporate an idea or a tip, I would love to share that in my video. But enough of this closet, let's get started on that Farmhouse Flair craft. I'll be restyling this small black sign into a farmhouse-inspired sign for spring, and I'll be using all of these crafting materials. I picked up this little sign at the Goodwill, but it can probably be found at stores like Hobby Lobby or Dollar General. All the other materials I used were purchased from Walmart. I'm taking my Waverly white chalk paint and painting 3 coats to this sign. Be sure to let each coat dry before applying another coat. While that's drying, I'll look for letters to spell the word spring on this scrapbook sheet. I carefully cut out the letters. I trim the edges and leave the top edge slightly longer for the clothespin to grab onto. With my paint dry, I started to sand the edges so that the original black finish would show through to make a rustic look. But that was a mistake because it rubbed all the way down past the black finish. So I decided to create the rustic look with Waverly's ink chalk paint. Dab off the excess from the brush and lightly paint the areas you want to look distressed. I used a cloth to rub the brush marks so they wouldn't be so defined. Now I take the clothesline and cut it the length that I need. It will be used as an actual clothesline on the sign. I place the letters on the fabric to see how much I'll need to cut. This cute green fabric caught my eye, and I knew it would give my craft a fresh spring look. I started to measure the fabric so that I could cut it with my scissors, but then I thought, hey, I'll just use my cutter. Now I'll add my letters to the fabric and cut the fabric, leaving enough for a border around the letters. I glue the letters onto the fabric with hot glue. Then I arrange the letters on the sign where I'll want them to be hanging with the clothespins. I clip each letter onto a clothespin and hot glue the pin to the line. I can always change out the letters with something else on this sign. So that's our craft number 2 in this Farmhouse Flair crafting series. Stay tuned for my final Farmhouse Flair craft. And don't forget the link to the first craft if you missed it. Hope you have a great week, and until next time, thanks for watching.